While Michigan temps are going up, the subfloor is going down.
How you doing, Rory?
We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like
Rory is he's in pretty tight.
let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. Yeah. To go on together.
There's my subfloor all loaded into my van. And the other thing I got today, got myself a table saw. Yes.